Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. That's me Khushi, and today I'm going to show you the JavaScript project. So actually I uploaded the second project before the first project, so that was an error from my side and I apologize for that. But yeah, now we're going to have the first project of JavaScript. So this is the trip planner project, so let's see what it is. But before that, make sure that you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Let's see.
So let's see what the project is. So here we have the trip planner. So we're actually planning a road trip and you're traveling with an average uniform speed of 40 miles per hour. Now we have a distance which will be the input taken by the user. So actually we have that code already. So this line actually will take the input of the user. So you have this distance in miles and you have to output the time it will take for you to cover the distance. Now, for example, you have 5 miles. So you need to tell how much time it will take to cover this distance, that too in minutes. So how we're going to do it, let's just see. So the first thing we have to find hours to know what is the minutes. And we already have the speed 40 miles per hour. So let's say variable hours will be equal to. Now, how do we find hours? Now, we actually know that 40 miles is per hour. Now, if we have the distance, let's say 200, then how much will be the hours? It will be 200 divided by 40. Whatever the answer is, that will be the hours. But here we did not know how much the distance is, so we're going to use a variable distance, and this will be divided by our speed, that is 40. Now we actually know that we have to find it in minutes. So we're going to convert hours into minutes. So we have minutes, and this will be equal to hours into 60, because 1 hour has 60 minutes. And now we're going to print this. So to print this, we're going to be using console.log. So console.log, and we have minutes. So let's see if this works or not. So yeah, that worked. Now let's see the test cases. So we have 590 miles as our distance, and it will be 885 minutes. Next, for the next one, we have 100 miles, that will be 150 minutes. So that's how it is done. And if you like the video, then do hit the like button. Thank you. That is it for today's video. If you like the video, just like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and share it with all of your friends. Thank you. Bye.